So, as you will have seen in the previous video, we had a fuel leak on the linkage pipe. I've took the carbs apart and I've swapped some O-rings, so now the leak is sorted, so the carbs are back on and I'm going to balance them. I think they'll be quite out, it sounds quite lumpy. Once they're in sync, it should run silky smooth, and then we can build it back up and see what's left to do to make it roadworthy. Now, as you can see, I'll set they should be green. This one here needs to be brought up, and then they should level them out and green them off. So we'll scrape them off. While you're watching. One out of balance is actually the one that I had to take away from the other three so I can replace the old one. It's no surprise that's out of balance. It's gone yellow, it's just doing yellow now. I've got into green. You note the engine noise changes. The knocking stops. So as you can see now, no fuel leaks, all green on the balance. That was good. And so as far as this little task goes, I think we can call that complete and get her all nailed back up.